So, welcome back, people, for another quick and subtle update about the Reggae Boyz. So apparently, John Bell would have been retracted from the squad. Unsure what's the situation. And his replacement will be Godile Irvin of Cavalier FC. Very, very interesting because I tell you the truth, quite a few persons know I pulled me, don't know what going on. Maybe it's injury. I haven't got any information surrounding it. It's just that, the update is just that Irvin is coming in for John Bell. No detail, nothing detailed surrounding the matter. That's just the only thing that that was informed, that was passed on. So we are now dwindling down as the second goes by, little by little by little. Well, I hope we don't see no more of that still, so that's how it is. Anyways, for those who know, Godile Irvin play for Cavalier FC in Jamaica Premier League. Irvin play left back, left wing back. Good left foot as well. PAC player. Well, then if you know about him, not really big, moderate height, you know. Heavily left-footed though, heavily left-footed. I hit the ball really well. Yeah, hit the ball really well. I think that's it. Yeah, not wasting the time anymore. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, people. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and shut us. What do you think in the comment section? Tell us what you think in the comment section. Are we really doing? Are things really derailing at this moment? Are you worried? Yeah, these are the questions that it's gonna start pop up. But so things said. Big up on yourself, people. Have a wonderful day. Link is in the description and also comment section if you want to buy us a coffee. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, June 6th. God bless. We're out. Boom.